Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris on a school Chromebook. It can be tricky with school restrictions, but there are a few straightforward methods. The simplest approach is usually through your web browser. Many websites offer free, browser-based versions of Tetris that require no installation. Just open your browser and search for Tetris Online or Free Tetris Game to find many options. This method often bypasses common school software blocks. If standard online Tetris sites are blocked, you might need to look for unblocked games websites. These platforms are specifically designed to host games that can often bypass school network filters. You can search for unblocked games Tetris to find several options. These sites frequently change their domains to stay ahead of filtering systems, offering a way to access games when other methods fail. Just be sure to choose a well-known site. Another option could be browser extensions, though you must check your school's policy on installing them. Some extensions offer simple game versions, including Tetris. Additionally, a few websites might provide a downloadable version of Tetris for offline play, which could be useful if internet access is limited. However, it is crucial to only download from trusted sources to avoid malware and always prioritize the security of your school Chromebook. Exercise caution with any installations. While playing Tetris can be a fun way to relax, it is essential to remember that your Chromebook is primarily a school tool. Always prioritize your academic tasks and use the device responsibly. Be mindful that school IT departments often monitor internet activity, so playing during class time is not advisable. Stick to designated break times, such as lunch or study hall, to enjoy your game without disrupting your learning or breaking school rules. Responsible use is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.